I got new cleaning pads for my Irobot to see how much dirt it actually picks up. This pack of 3 was about $15 with tax on Amazon. So here's what it looks like brand new and clean. At the end of the video, I'll show what it looks like after it's done. Before I run my Irobot, I use this O-Cedar flip mop to pick up all the loose dirt and dust. I'll have links below to this and the cleaning pads. It does pick up a lot of dirt, but this isn't from just this room. So the room I'm cleaning is about 16 feet by 20, and the Irobot ends up running for about an hour. I filled up the mopping reservoir with some mopping solution and hot water. My reservoir does have a crack in it, and I ordered one, but I hadn't gotten it yet. This part here is sped up to 2 times normal speed. The Irobot didn't get stuck under the bed or anything, and it did end up picking up a lot of dust under there. So after an hour, it was done mopping, and let's see what it picked up. You can see it picked up a good amount of dirt and some dust that I missed with the flip mop. I think the floors looked pretty good. This isn't heavily trafficked, and I don't have kids or pets or anything, so this room doesn't get dirty. I normally use a spray bottle to put some more solution down on the floors, but this time I didn't. Here's a comparison between the new pad and the old pad. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and also check out the Amazon links to the products I've used in this video.